Have you ever seen these personalized products where you can put in your text, like a date or a name, or you can pick clip art, or you can upload a custom photo? They definitely sell. They're definitely profitable. You can see the bestseller tags, the Etsy picks tags, the popular now tags, but anyone can actually sell these on a Shopify website, like your own branded website, or a Etsy store without actually having to craft the products. Pretty simple. And if you sell print on demand products, you already know where I'm going with this. You can use a factory supplier in the United States that has blank products and basically put any design on those products, including personalized or customized designs with people's names, custom photos, stuff like that. Printify has actually released a new method to personalize and offer customization to your customers at no additional cost to you. And you're going to be able to actually not only profit more from these products because they're personalized and customized, but you're going to have a higher conversion rate and be more likely to get these bestseller tags, popular now tags, all of the trending products. A lot of them have customization and personalization. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create this trending product right here as a really healthy profit margin, 20 plus views in the past 24 hours, bestseller tags. It's got all of the signs and all of the things that we need in order to have a good, solid product that we could list on our own website or Shopify or Etsy. And today I'm going to be listing it on Etsy here in just a few minutes. It's that simple. And we're going to be able to automate the personalization process. So if you don't want to actually go in and do the personalization yourself, we can actually automate this to where when we get an order for this pillow, it's just going to automatically replace Laura with whatever name they've put in there. So that's going to be much more convenient for actually scaling up our sales. We won't have to be in there actually manually doing every single order. It can just automatically swap in the text for us. If you're wanting to offer custom photos or custom clip art, it's definitely possible. Let's get started. I'm going to jump over directly into Printify because we don't need to use Canva. We don't need to use Photoshop. We don't need to create the design anywhere else. We're just going to create it directly in Printify. View an example. You can see here inside of the best sellers, blankets, hoodies, sweatshirts, stretched canvas, stickers, mugs, tote bags, candles, and so much more. They're releasing new products constantly, including things like supplements and makeup. You can see they have a lot of options here that we could pick from. I'm just going to go with the square poly canvas pillowcase after checking out some of our options here. I think it's going to be a good price point for us, high quality product. So what we need to know also is the pricing here. So it does ship from the United States, Australia, and the United Kingdom, which is good if we're selling in multiple markets. And it looks like it's going to cost us about $19 to ship out this product. I'm going to hit start designing. You could look at the other provider info if you want to see the other costs for different sizes, if you want to see the different shipping times and how much each item is going to cost from different shipping zones, and then also the production and more about how they actually make this product and how they package it. Okay, so we're on the design page for the pillow, and you can see that we have this option here called personalize off to the left. I'm going to hit that personalize and do personalizable text. Now for this, it's good to have a placeholder. So we're going to say something like Sarah as the placeholder name. And then for the character limit, we can go ahead and maybe put 50 as the character limit. This will stop your customer from being able to put in more characters than what you designate. So I'm going to go with 50 because we're only taking in basically a first name, and I'm going to leave it there, but you can set that character limit to what you want it to be. So right now this is just a white pillow, but you could definitely, change it up and add in some other colors, some other color variants. I'm just going to do white because from our product research, the cream, white, neutral tones seem to be doing really well. So let's just go ahead and center this where we need it to be. Just going to be higher up on the pillow. So once we have this where we want it to be, we can add in some normal text, and let's do something like Roboto, because the personalized text right now is also in Roboto. So let's go ahead and choose that. You can see here we have Roboto, and we can enter in the rest of the design. Just go ahead and zoom out, and we can actually drag this over and then make it smaller. And then I'm going to zoom in, and the way I do this is basically just with my trackpad. I can zoom in and out using my fingers, but also there's this magnifier over here to where you can easily zoom out or zoom in. I'm gonna go ahead and center this, and then the formatting is up here at the very top. So if you wanted to change the font, if you wanted to change the size, if you wanted to make it bold, italicized, we can also center this text if we want to. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this, a little bit bigger. And you can see how this is just a basic, simple design, but you could obviously get way more creative than this. But sometimes simple is what sells. Sometimes you just need black text on a white background with a funny saying, and you've got yourself a really great product. The personalized name is good to go, and then our text is good. This is not personalized. This is just going to live on our design. So you might be wondering what happens if someone types in a really long name, you know, Elizabeth. It actually automatically adjusts the size of the text based off of how many characters are in there. So if you only have one character, it's going to be really big. But I recommend putting a placeholder that's realistic for your potential customer. You know, like put in a name that they may relate to, or just a common name. I'm going to use Sarah is my favorite child. Go ahead and make sure that this is aligned as well. And so what we can do is we can actually preview, and we can click the preview up in the top right, and we can see what this is going to look like on our mock-up images. I can already tell this is a little bit too big. At least this text here is coming out just a bit too big. We probably want to make this a bit smaller. And then once again, center. And then I'm going to go ahead and make Sarah just a bit smaller as well. Right there. Make sure that's center aligned. And then go ahead and preview that. And there we go. We have a simple text-based personalized design that once we launch this on Etsy here in just a moment, our customer is going to be able to put in their name, they're going to be able to order on Etsy, and then Printify is going to be able to take care of everything else for us. And so you might be wondering, is this expensive? Like, how much does Printify cost? It's actually just a free feature that Printify has. You can actually just sign up for Printify. I'll put the link in the video description, and then this is going to be an option for anyone, regardless of whether you've made sales or whether you are brand new or whether you're an expert. Printify is going to give you the option to do personalized and custom products directly there inside of Printify. So I recommend you go ahead and get started. Start playing with the products. You don't actually have to upload them. You could just start designing, save them as drafts, and come back and upload them later. But let's go ahead and save this product. We also get the mockups from Printify. Printify is going to provide those mockups for free. So I'm just going through and selecting which mockups we want to include on our listing. And then I'm going to hit save selection once I'm happy with the mockups that we have. Save selection. So now we're brought to the screen where we can finalize our listing. We can simply choose our main image. I'm going to use this mockup here as our main image simply by tapping on it. And then I'm going to scroll down and use the generate with AI option. I'm going to describe what this is. So this is a funny Mother's Day custom gift for mom or wife or dad for Father's Day. You can see I didn't even put in a great description of what this even is. And now I'm going to go ahead and say this is a poly canvas pillowcase. And that way it knows exactly what we're talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate here. This is another free feature from Printify. Just another reason why, if you're trying to find a print-on-demand supplier, Printify is the obvious choice in my opinion right now. And not only do they offer the best products and service, but they also just have like awesome features that they're releasing constantly. And so you can see here, it came up with our product title, product description, and keywords. These are all really great, really relevant keywords. The product description is exactly what we need. No longer do we need to type out these features or copy and paste them. And it looks like we've got some keywords in here, like ideal gift for moms, wives, and dads. If we wanted to, we could add some more keywords to our description, but honestly it's looking good. And then finally the title here, which is arguably the most important part, looks great in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply to listing. That was really easy, and that is also a new feature from Printify. And what we can do now is go ahead and either save this as a draft or publish it. And again, you could publish this to Shopify and you could sell this product on your Shopify store, or you could publish these on Etsy, or both. So you could actually have products going to both your Shopify and your Etsy. So let's go ahead and hit publish and see what this looks like once it's live. And there we go. It is now live for for sale on Etsy. A customer could come in here and enter their name, and they could add this to their cart and purchase it right now. We could take this to the next level by adding in images. Like for example, they could choose a flower or an animal that they want to put on the design. We could allow them to upload a custom photo of themselves and use it as a way, like a funny photo of themselves. There are ways to take this to the next level. We could also offer different sizes, different colors for this pillow, and we could do so much more with customization and personalization. So let's say that you made some sales with your custom products now that you've made in Printify. What happens next? Well, basically you're going to see these orders come in, and if your attention is needed, you'll see a tag that's going to basically ask you to check out that order and make sure that everything looks okay. Once you've approved it, then Printify is going to go and create that product and actually ship it out. So this gives you time to actually gather anything that you need from your customer, like a photo that they want to upload, or any other information that you might need from them before you actually have Printify create your product. Because sometimes the more complicated personalized products, like say a personalized pet portrait, is going to require the customer to actually have input on, you know, does this design meet my standards, and is it what I was expecting, and is there anything I want to change? And so it's good to have the option to actually review these orders, and that's exactly what happens whenever you get orders with these products. Otherwise, this is by far the most simple way to start selling personalized and custom products. There are no excuses now. Sign up for Printify for free below. Join my free Facebook group if you want more help anytime you have questions, or anytime you just want to connect with a community of print-on-demand sellers. If you're looking for one-on-one coaching, if you want to get on Zoom with me and have me review your listings, your Shopify store, anything that's your Facebook ads, anything that you need help with, I would love to jump in and assist you with that. And all of those links are going to be in the video description. Otherwise, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next one. Bye.